All right, this is Mr. Rarick. I'm going to go through these notes with you just real quick. We're talking about the area of a sector. So whenever we have a sector, we have a portion of the circle. So it's basically like if you get a pizza and you take a couple slices out, like how much did you take out? Could you find the area of that? So basically what we're going to do here is this. You find the area of a circle. So it's pi times r squared, okay? And then we're going to multiply that by what we know of the degrees of the circle. So we should know that there's 360 degrees all the way around the circle. So if this is 70 degrees, then what we would do there is, it tells us our radius right here is 2, right? And then it tells us that that angle is 70 degrees. So in Desmos, we would say pi times my 2 squared, right? Okay, so I get this 12 point whatever, blah, 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 blah. And then I'm gonna multiply that by the 70 degrees that I have out of 360 degrees total. So the area of just that sector is 2.44346, whatever. Okay. So what if we're given the area, but we're missing the radius or the central angle? It's going to be the same kind of thing. We'll have the setup there. We'll just use the proportion. So the area of the sector over the area of the circle is equal to the central angle measure over 360. So this one says we have a 90-degree angle. The area of the shaded sector is 16 pi. So this would be, just on the setup, 16 pi over x, because we don't know that part, and that would be equal to our area of the sector over the area of the entire circle, and we're going to use that to find our radius. Okay, so, I think I said that wrong. We have the area of the sector, but we don't know the area of the whole thing, and we know it's the same as 90 over 360. Well, if we type in just 90 out of 360, that's going to be a fourth. So this is 1/4 of whatever the bottom is. So we just take that 16 and we multiply it by 4. That's 64. So the whole thing is 64 pi. And again, we know that pi times the radius squared is the area. So if we have 64 pi, we take away the pi, my radius squared is 64. That means my radius should just be 8. So on this one, my radius is going to be 8. Okay, these others are going to work kind of the same way. Either my radius is 10 and the area of my shaded sector is 40 pi. Find the angle. So 10 squared would be 100. So we're at 40 out of 100, which is 4 out of 10. So that's going to be 4 out of 10 is equal to x out of 360. So that'd be 36 times 4. So 144. This would be a 144-degree angle. On this one, LM is 6. The area of the shaded thing is 10. So that's 10 out of 36. And 10 out of 36, that would be 100 out of 360. So that angle is going to be 100. Okay, so that should hopefully get you going in the right direction. There will be notes dropped off. Your assignment is going to be in Delta Math, and good luck.